Tech is a production enterprise on solar PV system components founded in 2011. Meanwhile, the company has been honored the Star of Entrepreneurship and the Enterprise in the cultivation list of professional, fine, special, and innovative of Zhejiang province, and has been successfully listed in Nimble Equity Exchange Center. Products of the company are sold in tens of countries and regions including America, Europe, Southeast Asia, Middle East, Australia, and so on. The company insists on the operation concept of hard work and responsibility for interior control and the attitude of professional and efficient, sincere and down-to-earth cooperation and double win for customer service. Tech Cable has 6 product divisions departments, 6 production lines, 8 injection molding machines, and a full range of products to meet the different needs of our global customers through an adaptive production model manual, OEM. Step by step, bit by bit accumulation, so that Tech grow into a well-known brand in China's solar industry. All these honors are the recognition of our efforts and the praise of our market and customers. In the future development, we will continue to adhere to our excellent business philosophy for the majority of customers to provide better and better products and services.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.